Okay, sorry about the strange light, but you're just gonna have to deal with it. I'll try and get down in here. Okay, so we're trying to repair the bedside of my car that was savagely destroyed and crushed by an oak tree. I've already unrolled the part that was like curled up. And I unrolled it. I've done pretty good so far. This thing is tough. This stuff is thick. This is not like sheet metal. Okay, so like, try and get in. I got this part where this bed support is bent down, and there's no way I can hammer it. I'm just not strong enough. So I am gonna try and use my log splitter, and I'll let you watch while I do it. Once I start the engine up, you probably won't be able to hear me, so I probably won't talk much. I'm gonna hand it to my cameraman now, and I'm gonna try and do this. Let's see, I want these in here like this, and we want this to be cross-grained so that the knife doesn't cut through it. Haha! That worked great! Wow, that worked great! So you can use a log splitter for body work.